Updated country home with garage and outbuildings, plus property with a variety of agricultural and outdoor recreation opportunities in north central Indiana. Metzger Property Services presents over 200 acres just east of Logansport in Cass County, selling at auction Thursday, September 19th. These 206 acres will be offered in 8 individual tracts, combinations, and the entirety. Tract 1 is 2.5 acres and features a 4 to 5 bedroom country home. Move-in ready, the home boasts an open kitchen and dining area, large laundry room, and 3-car attached garage. The extensive list of home updates includes a new roof in 2015, new well pump, new pressure pump in 2006, plus 200 amp service and many new vinyl replacement windows. In addition to the home, Tract 1 also features 2 pole barns, each building an expansive 48 by 80. One pole barn has concrete floors with 2 sliding doors and 2 service doors, while the other building has a dirt and gravel floor with 2 sliding doors and 3 service doors. A third outbuilding on Tract 1 is a 24 by 10 storage shed with concrete floors and a large patio, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the peace and serenity of country living. Tract 2 is 2 acres of tillable land with soil index of 155, and Tract 2 would be an ideal building site. Tract 3 is approximately 56 acres of quality tillable cropland with a soil index of 159.4. Perfect for hunting, Tract 4 is roughly 15 acres of woods and recreational ground, while Tract 5 is 50 acres in size. About 47 acres of land on Tract 5 is tillable with soil index of 155.1, and the remaining 3 acres are woodland. Tract 6 is 12 acres, nearly 8 acres tillable with soil index of 130.5, and the remaining 4 acres are woodland, making Tract 6 an ideal building site. Tract 7 is approximately 55 acres in size, with a soil index of 151. Tillable land on Tract 7 is 51.5 acres, and the remaining 3.5 acres are wooded. Tract 8 is 13 acres, and also a good mix of woods and tillable land. Just over 7 acres of Tract 8 are woods, while nearly 6 acres are tillable cropland with a soil index of 155. Make plans to visit the open house Thursday afternoon, September 12th from 5:30 to 6. Property is at 5564 East 100 North, Logansport, Indiana. Updated country home, numerous outbuildings, over 200 acres in Cass County, Indiana. Will sell at auction Thursday evening, September 19th at 6:30. Auction will be at the Cass County Fairgrounds in Logansport, Indiana. To find out more, call auction manager Brian Evans at Metzger Property Services, 260-571-8732, or visit the website MetzgerAuction.com.